In this video, I'll be telling you about comparison operators. The first comparison operator I'm going to be telling you about is the equal to operator. One of the statements that uses this is the if condition. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is what the if condition looks like. First, we're going to write if, then a space to separate it from the parentheses, then the comparison operator equal to, then two curly brackets to write what's going to happen if whatever is here equals to whatever is here. So for example, we're gonna put A in the left side of the comparison operator and B on the right side. So whatever is on the left side gets compared to the right side. Now I'm going to tell you about the greater than or less than operators. The greater than or less than operators check or compare if the two values are less than or greater than each other. This is what the greater than or less than sign looks like inside of the if condition. The less than or equal to operator checks if the value of the other string or integer is less or equal to the value you're comparing to. This is what less than or equal to looks like in an if condition, but you also can switch it into greater than or equal to. This is all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed the video.